The problem is letter combinations of a phone number. Now the problem asks for every possible string you can form by picking one letter per digit. So like the old phone keypads. So 2 is ABC, 7 is PQRS, etc. Now this is a backtracking problem, and we will we will declare the function backtrack, which takes in the current index and the path, and it will process the digit at this current position index, and for each letter that digit maps to, it recurses to the next digit with the letter appended. And then when index reaches the end of digits, the path holds one complete combination and it gets added to the result. So over here we start with if not digits. It checks at the top, because if it's like an empty list, then you can just return an empty list. I'm hard coding what it is mapping to based on this picture. Then, as I said, I'm calling the function backtrack and passing in the current index and the path. Now, if the current index is the length of the digits, which means it has reached the last digit, then we can just append the result, join the strings and return it. Now over here, I'm going through for phone of digits of current. So these are two lookups. Now Python evaluates it from inside out, so which means we do the inner brackets first and then the outer ones. So first we look at the inner part, which is digits of this current index. So I've written it over here actually. So digits of 0, for example, will be 2, and then digits of 1 will be 3. And then we will check the outer part. So 2 then maps to ABC based on this. And then we do the same. We append the letter, we backtrack current +1, we explore, we pop, backtrack, we call it on the very first, on the 0th index, and pass an empty path, return the result of what we have appended.